actually going to see highs, record cold high temperatures possible as we head into Friday and the start of our weekend. Live look at the city of Boston right now. Beautiful start to the day. Looking out over the Charles River here. Temperatures are actually in the 30s and 40s right now. Below average temperatures for the rest of this week as well. A mainly dry stretch, although there will be a couple of showers this evening and overnight tonight. Generally light for the most part. Not everyone sees them. Canadian cold blast comes in with the feel of winter Friday and Saturday with, again, temperatures not getting out of the upper 30s. That's for high temperatures in the afternoon. So to put that in perspective, we're warmer right now in the city of Boston than we will be to end the week. 42 downtown right now, 38 in Worcester and Manchester, 36 in Keene. So a chilly start, especially compared to where we were yesterday. Such a warm and muggy start. We have some patchy clouds through the interior that have been dissipating here, also in the mid and outer Cape. So we start with some sunshine. The clouds will win out today. They're increasing already back to the west. That's out ahead of some rain and a little bit of snow, a little weak disturbance. Notice the motion kind of west to east here, but it will come close enough to clip us with a couple of showers, particularly along the south coast as we head into the evening and overnight. High temperatures today, upper 40s to around 50. That is about it. So a noticeable change in the air today. Here's the hour by hour. Notice the clouds stream in, particularly during the afternoon. There may be a couple of wet snowflakes that mix in across Bennington County, Vermont, southwest New Hampshire, the Berkshires. No impact there, but just don't want that to catch you off guard. Notice by 10 p.m., a little period of some light rain. Boston down through southeastern Massachusetts, a lingering isolated shower pre-dawn tomorrow, so about 5 a.m. And then gradually clouds give way to sunshine for our Wednesday. So any showers that do develop end tonight, and then we drop back into the 30s tomorrow, very similar to today, 45 to 50 for most of us. Then this blast of Arctic air out of central Canada and back up near the Arctic comes down through central Canada and the Midwest. Will moderate somewhat by the time it gets to New England, but this is for Friday and into Saturday. Actually, Friday morning, the temperatures may be warmest, and then we fall through the course of the day. Saturday morning, teens and 20s. That is it for the overnight lows, Friday night and Saturday morning. Saturday, we don't get it out of the upper 30s. Sunday, a little bit of moderation in the low 40s with the increasing clouds back up to about 50 for the start of next week.